Hello everyone. Today I made an essay generator agent in OpenAI's Agent Builder using the Agentic design pattern called reflection. Reflection is when a draft agent produces an output, a reflection or critique agent reviews it and gives it a score or a rating. If the rating is above a certain level, then the draft agent's output is accepted. Otherwise, an improver agent improves it on the basis of feedback provided by the reflection agent, and then it is accepted. Each agent has its own specific system prompt or instructions depending on its role along with some context. This is why prompt and context engineering are very important while developing AI agents. I tested both the paths. In the first try, I used GPT-5 Nano for all the agents. In the first test, I got the score of 8. In the second test, I changed the model of the reflection agent to GPT-5. Then I got a score of 6, and then the improver agent worked on the essay and improved it.